Hey, James here, and this is a huge update. Please stay and watch this. This is very, very important if you use Morningfame, morningfa.me. If you use this, this is a huge, huge red flag right now. I have been a huge proponent of using this, but it's giving false results. It's incredibly unreliable right now. And I can give you an example. Before I clicked on this, I had like C's all the way across and an A. Then it reverted to the D, and it was over here. So I'm looking for keywords, right? So I'm looking for keywords that have the best options, and hopefully with the most A's, the most B's, that type of thing. So how to make money online. It's given me an F, a D, and F, a D. Now, I'm not used, I'm used to not having the best grades, but I had an amazing grade a second ago, and when I got here, look, it's all F's. It's all F's. It's completely wrong from what it just was. Smart Money Tactics. That's the name of a YouTube channel. Let's see what it says. Okay, that actually is better, but this is a name of a YouTube channel. So let's just change it to something. Well, my cursor is blinking out. Let's just find something 2Ds, an F, all F's and a D. That's completely different from what it just said. And that's extremely frustrating. Let's say how to make money on YouTube without, I like doing faceless videos. Say without making videos. Okay, F. Okay, here's a B. I just want to show this real quick. Please stick with me. Okay, I got, this isn't horrible. 3 D's and a B. Let's make money. Pretty broad. So it really probably shouldn't be. But let's see what it says. All F's, 1 D. And this is your ranking based on your channel. This is all supposed to be linked to your channel. I know a lot of them aren't exactly correct anyway. There's a few you have to pay a lot of money for that are pretty much dead on the money. And they're linked to the YouTube API, and they run the searches on a huge database at a certain rate so they don't cause a CAPTCHA to form, because I used to be able to run the same types of searches. Earn money from home. So this is good enough that I should be able to get a video in there somewhere with a good video, right? Let's see if this one is correct. It's DFCC. DDDA. So now it's actually showing a little better. But most of them are not. See, now it reverts back to where it was. So this is I don't know if this is estimates, and then once it's filled in, it's considered correct, because that is not in any way, shape, or form correct at all. YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. That is a long tail keyword that there's not a ton of videos on. And it's all F, so it's completely wrong. It's completely wrong. This shows an A. Let's just do a quick lookup and see if it changes it to the solid letters. FFFA. That's not an A. If I just put in YouTube, I have zero way of ranking for an A. for the relevance, I guess. I'm on YouTube and talk about YouTube. So that's just disheartening when you think you might have a good keyword. And here's another one that I did rank for before. We do the how to. And my cursor, whenever I use this thing, my cursor goes crazy too. Your main keyword, I guess it's there. Topic without creating videos is another one. So I don't want to get too long-winded. I just want you to know that Morningfame is not working correctly right now. Before, they were pretty accurate. Didn't matter if the box was filled in or not. How to make money on YouTube without creating videos. Alright, DDDA. YouTube automation course. Let's click on that. See, I've done this before where I've had these across here. Go to step 3 and it's correct. I go and look at the breakout video and the gateway video, and that's a course. So maybe I can, but I can promise you, if I go over here, let's look at that, right? Copy. I'll go to YouTube right now. Actually, let me go in an incognito window. YouTube. Then we're going to go to the search, paste YouTube automation course. Now let's go back. Close that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The video, it says it is ranking right now. But we don't want to see that. Those are horrible numbers right now. They're going to get better. Doubt anybody's going to watch this anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all playlists. 6, 7. Okay, no more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. He does a lot of YouTube automation. You can pretty much just copy him. I'll probably just copy all his stuff, and you know, he just scams people anyway. I know he does. Doesn't really matter. He's buddies with Dave Nick, and I don't really care. So we have it somewhere around It Works, YouTube automation, and before these. Let's say before these. Before this one. Find my cursor. Go back up here to incognito window. And I have never searched this term before. Go back up. I can't even remember what the video looked like. My mouse is moving stupid. Okay, it's this funky 29-second one. Props to you if you're watching this. Okay. There should be around here, under here. Doesn't show these playlists list up ranked before that. My YouTube course, I go through that. Okay, it should be up here. It's not ranked number 8. We're not in the 20s. We are not in the top 50 that I can see anywhere. It's not even listed as a short. So that tells you I've had a problem with this before where it's totally incorrect. Totally. It shows you a gateway video. So I'm going to get in touch with the people. Let's say today. And those aren't even, oh, that's when it was uploaded. We'll say in the last month. So it could be around here if they're basing it on the month, but it's not even close. This guy with the shorts, he's up on the page, but this other guy, nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. So I'm not even going to edit this video. I'm going to put it straight up. Be aware if you're using Morningfame, it is not working out correctly. And I'm going to use this maybe just to get some ideas, but I'm going to start using the one I use in my course, or I'm going to start using an actual paid estimator. This is supposed to give you a rank of what you're supposed to be able to do, and it's not. Like, I've had A's across the board and they won't do nothing. YouTube automation step by step. Let's see if this one's actually right. See, it's not. It's not even. It's not even close. You know, gateway video, 474 views. You know, I am going to get into the YouTube automation. Sorry to ramble, but use your own discretion on Morningfame. I'm going to upload this and take some screenshots and just upload this, and use it. Like and subscribe if you like the content. And this is what I want to do, is try to keep you from wasting money like I did. And if I'm on the monthly plan, I'm canceling it, because you get a couple days free. Every 2 weeks, you could come in here and look and see how you're doing. Maybe it gets a little more accurate the bigger your channel, but it shouldn't make that many discrepancies. It shouldn't give you a bunch of 3 C's and an A, and you turn it on, you put it on, and it's 4 F's. Nah, don't work like that. All right, I'm gonna stop this video and holler at you later.